Hey guys, you can create and manage multiple investment portfolios directly on the Google Finance website to track the performance of your stock and other assets. So go to Google Finance and make sure you're logged in, right? Start a new portfolio by hitting new portfolio right here, okay? And what you're gonna do, name the portfolio. Let's say 2030 fund, okay? Hit save. Now you just created your new fund once you hit done. And you can also choose to make it a quote-unquote playground portfolio to simulate market performance without affecting real investment metrics. Now what you're gonna do, add investment, okay, within your portfolio and enter the stock details. Search for the stock, ETF, mutual fund, or cryptocurrency you want to add by name or ticker symbol. Let's say I'm searching for Bitcoin, right? And I'm gonna enter that quantity, right? Or the number of shares, and specify the purchase date and the purchase price at the time of the purchase or at the time of purchase. If you have multiple purchases of the same asset, click more purchases, right, of asset to enter the details for each transaction, right here. And then what you're gonna do, just hit save. Let's say bought one, purchase date 11 November, the purchase price right there. And I can add more than one. Let's say right here 4, and let's say 14th, and this is the purchase price, okay? Hit save, and if you have more than one asset, just go ahead and hit save and add another. I'm gonna hit save, okay? Now you can check performance in the portfolio. Once your investments are added, Google Finance automatically calculates and displays key metrics in your portfolio dashboard, right? Total value and returns, your portfolio's current value, total cost basis, and overall gain loss, both in dollars and percentage, are displayed at the top. And the performance chart, a line chart, shows your portfolio's balance over different time periods, like 1 month, 6 months, year, 5 days, 1 day, 5 years, etc., which you can use to compare its performance against market benchmarks like the S&P 500. Below the chart, you can view each holding with its current price in daily performance, okay? And scroll down to find curated news and insights related to the specific stocks within your portfolio. If you didn't find it, just go ahead or go back home and you're gonna see the latest news or the top stories, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.